Have you guys ever had Chipotle? Let's eat Chipotle. Oh my god, look at that. Ooh. Oh my god. Have you guys ever tried Taco Bell? Let's eat Taco Bell. Did you guys know that most people fall asleep within 7 minutes? Why does it take me freaking 7 hours? This new avocado sauce is so good. Wow. Of course we have the nacho fries. I was planning on working out, but I don't know if I should work out today. I don't know what burrito this is, so we're gonna find out together. What? What is this? This one is a secret menu item.
Seafood boil. Oh my god. Lobster. It's dripping already. I don't even need no sauce. Ten out of 10.
We have this week's crumble cookies. We have a cookies and cream Rice Krispie bar, skillet cookie, a sugar cookie, confetti cake, peach cobbler, and chocolate chip. It has some white chocolate chips and Oreo cookie bits in it. 10 out of 10. Wow, the mousse is so delicious. 10 out of 10 again. Wow, this is so freaking good. Guys, there's sprinkles on top and inside the cookie. And we have the circus cookie. One more bite. This is so good. 11 out of 10. I've never had a peach cookie before, so I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. This is so delicious. What the heck? It's a cinnamon oatmeal cookie with peach jam on top and cinnamon flavored frosting. This is definitely my favorite one. 11 out of 10. Always so smooth and airy. 9 out of 10. Always a 10 out of 10.
I'm partnering with Domino's and I'm so excited. I got 50% off both of these pizzas. Order Domino's online now and you can get 50% off all of their menu item pizzas now through June 9th. Let's eat. So this is their pan pizza and I did pepperoni, mushroom, olive, and then the cheddar cheese blend. And this one is the pizza. So it has cheese, it has provolone cheese, pepperoni, Italian sausage, ham, and beef. You know, I always have to have the ranch. This is on their hand-tossed crust. It's like garlicky. It's so good. I was really craving a pizza night in, so I'm very happy. I used to always get this in college, so it brings back all the memories. Go order now. You do not want to miss out.
Coco Eats Pizza Compilation.
Monday night, self-care night. You know what that means, sushi night. So here I have a regular tuna maki and then a bagel roll.
Here I have a Boston roll and a spicy connie roll. Of course, can't forget my favorite flavor of Olipop and a beautiful wine glass to go with it. First, I want to show you guys the bagel roll. Okay, delish. I personally love fried things. I mean, obviously. Can't forget the spicy mayo. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. 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 Well, I guess you could never have enough spicy mayo. Obviously, gotta dip the other side in soy sauce. Gosh, I am just a mess today. Okay. Cheers, guys. Next, I'm taking the Boston roll. It's just shrimp, cucumber, and I think mayo. Boop. Boop. You know, there's something about simple rolls too, you know? Sometimes you don't need all that. Taking a tuna roll. Honestly, I consider sushi like diet food. Honestly, like it's healthy. Like no matter like how it's fried or how much rice is in it, like I think it's healthy. Like you can have it on a diet, you know what I'm saying? It's pure protein, okay? Spicy connie roll. That's my favorite. That is my favorite.
I got Taco Bell. I got an order of their Cinnabon Delights, the new Aardvark Nacho Fries, and a Diet Baja Blast. I'm most excited for these Cinnabons. Yum. And I know we just ordered Taco Bell, like, I don't know, basically like the last time I posted. But it's so good. I'm going through a phase or something. Here's a better look at the Aardvark fries. The base is nacho fries. I see pico de gallo, 3 cheese blend, nacho cheese, maybe some sour cream, and then a special sauce for this dish. There's also chicken. I don't remember if I said that. So let's just kind of see what we think, guys. Okay. That's good. Yum, let's take a little bit of this chicken. Okay, I don't think there's a lot of seasoning on the chicken, but that's fine. Oh, look at that. Oops. These are good. Alright guys, let's get chit-chatting. It is finals week, this week for me, or the following week. Today's a Saturday. And, you know, like, I'm kind of excited for finals week. Because that means I'm almost done. Because, like, babe, I'm ready to be done. This semester has probably been my hardest semester I've ever had in my 3 years of college. But then, like, on another hand, once I finish finals, I get like 2 or 3 weeks off. Why is this car parking right behind me? Anyways, I get like 2 or 3 weeks off, and then I start my summer classes. And I'm taking chemistry 2 lab, and physics 1 lab. So it's 10 credit hours in 8 weeks. It's gonna suck really bad, and chemistry is not my strong suit. And neither is physics. But I just need to get them done. But I also kind of have an exciting summer, so I'm going to Colorado for a week, which is really fun. And then I'm going to Colorado again for a couple of days for a concert. And then my birthday's in June, my 21st birthday. But honestly, I don't even know if I'm going to do anything for my 21st birthday because I'm not a drinker and I'm not a partier. I'm not a gambler either, so no Vegas. I don't know what I'm going to do. I was kind of thinking maybe Korean barbecue with my friends because like I have a Korean barbecue grill at home, so I could just do that, and that would be lots of fun. I think I'm definitely like a quality time type of person. Like I really just like nice, uninterrupted time with my friends and my family and like my boyfriend. Like I just love quality time. So I think I might do that. But I don't know. To be decided, guys. Okay. Review of the aardvark fries. Really good. Has a little bit of spice to it, but not enough to the point where my white self is like, oh my gosh, this is uncomfortable and unenjoyable. Really good. And this is specific to my store, but I wish they were fresher. Like the fries were just kind of lukewarm and a little bit soft. That was gross, I'm so sorry. But honestly, still good. They're not bad. I enjoyed them.
Here's everything I ate at the Gwangjang Food Market. This popular food market has countless food stalls highlighting delicious Korean street foods. We're starting off pretty strong here with tteokbokki, or sweet and spicy rice cakes. Personally, this is a favorite Korean dish of mine, and having it at an authentic food stall is truly just the best. I'm pairing it with some vegetable kimbap, and it's the perfect mix of chewy and crunchy textures. I also got to try sundae, or aka blood sausage, for the very first time, and I'm not the biggest fan of the flavor, to be honest. At the same stall, I had some odeng, or fish cake soup. The warm and savory broth was so comforting. Next, I had to get these popular hand-twisted sugar donuts. They were so fresh, crispy on the outside, and light and chewy on the inside. So delicious. Next, I have some mung beef fried pancakes. These are fresh off the grill and perfect to share with a group of friends. It has a mixture of shredded potatoes as well as some veggies. I'm ending this tour with something nice and sweet. This is a fish-shaped pastry which we got stuffed with custard, and it's very similar to taiyaki. And you guys, I could not get enough of this. If I had more room in my stomach, I would get another. Keep an eye out for more Korea videos. Bye, besties!
Come have lunch with me at a Korean convenience store. Blue lemonade 8/10. Bulldog Rose Ramen 100/10. Has the perfect amount of spice. Kimchi 9/10. Surprisingly amazing for being packaged.